Greetings Earthlings and welcome back to Watchcastage. This is just a quick video to demonstrate how to set the time and your alarms on your Freestyle Shark watch. First thing you'll want to do is get to the time mode on the watch. If you are not on the time mode, you will go ahead and use the lower left hand button to cycle through all the modes available. Then it will say time, and now you are on the time mode. Then in order to set the time, we will hold the lower right hand button for a few seconds until it says set. Now we are in the time setting mode. You can tell what you're adjusting by what is blinking. Currently the seconds are blinking in the upper right hand corner. We will use the upper right hand button to adjust that section, so hitting the upper right hand button, that resets the seconds to 00. Then by using the lower left hand button, we can go to the next section, which is the minutes. Again, upper right hand button will adjust that. Again, on the lower left hand button, adjusts the hours. And you can tell on the left hand side of the screen there is no indicator. That means that it is AM, and once we get to noon, you can see that the PM indicator shows up. So once you have the hours, the minutes, and the seconds set, you will hit the lower left hand button again. And now we are in the date settings section. So currently it is January 3rd. You can go ahead and adjust the day of the month. This is now the 14th of January. Hitting the lower left hand button, adjust the month. Now it is May 14th. Hit the lower left hand button again. This allows you to adjust the day of the week. It is currently set to Tuesday. Upper right hand button changes between all of the days of the week. Hit the lower left hand button again, and now you can adjust between 12 or 24-hour time. I will keep it on 12. And one last thing on the lower left hand button, now you can change if it is month and date or day and then month, depending on which format you like your day date to be listed in. Once you're all set, you can go ahead and press the lower right hand button, and now your day, your date, and your time are all set. Then in order to set the second time zone, you will start from the normal time mode, hit the lower right hand button. It says TM2. Now we are in the second time zone. In order to set this, press and hold the lower right hand button. And now we are in the time setting mode for the second time zone. All of the setup is the exact same. You have the day, the date, the month, all of that. Once you're done setting that, press the lower right hand button. Now your second time zone is set. To switch between time zone 1 and 2, you just press that lower right hand button, time zone 1, time zone 2. Now in order to set your first alarm, we will make sure that we are in time zone 1. It says time, that means this is our first time zone. We will go ahead and scroll over to the alarm setting by pressing the lower left hand button. And in order to set the alarm, we will go ahead and press that lower right hand button. We are in the time setting mode. All the controls are the exact same as time setting. The upper right hand button adjusts what is blinking. The lower left hand button progresses to the next section, hours or minutes. You have an AM or PM indicator in the upper right hand portion of the screen. Once your alarm is set, press the lower right hand button. Now the alarm time is set. And in order to turn on or off the alarm, make sure you are on the alarm page, but you are not in the time setting mode. And when you are here, you will use the upper right hand button. One press turns on the alarm. A second press will turn on hourly chimes, but no alarm. A third press will turn on hourly chimes and the alarm. And another press will turn off the hourly chimes and the alarm. And finally, we will set our second alarm, which is based on time zone 2, but we will go ahead and start from time zone 1. We'll press the lower left hand button to get to the alarm section, and then we'll press the lower right hand button to see alarm 2. Once we're here, we'll press and hold the lower right hand button for a few seconds until we see set. Now we are in the alarm time set mode, which is exactly the same as what we just walked through. Upper right hand button adjusts what's blinking. Lower left hand button changes between hours and minutes. Once you're done, press that lower right hand button, and now your alarm time is set. Nothing is blinking, and we are still on that second alarm page. Same functionality, hitting the upper right hand button will turn on the alarm, the hourly beeps for the second time zone, or both, or none. And that is how you set time zone 1, time zone 2, and alarm 1 and alarm 2 on your Freestyle USA Shark Watch. If you found this video fun, interesting, or helpful, thumbs up. Hated it, big ol' thumbs down. I will talk to you on a later date. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Boop.